Hello YouTube, this is AYang at Mazda of Orange. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'd like to present to you the 2021 Nissan GT-R Premium all-wheel drive. This one's finished in Bayside Blue with Kuro Night as the interior color. I'm going to go ahead and showcase what the GT-R has as standard. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as mentioned before, this is finished in Bayside Blue Metallic, which is actually inspired by the Nissan R34 GT-R. This color is absolutely gorgeous. You do have 20-inch raised forged alloy wheels. You have the 6-piston front calipers. You also have the Nissan LED signature headlights. This one being the Premium, it does come with the Nissan Nismo titanium catback exhaust system. And then you do have a little bit of carbon fiber right there. This one still has a new car smell, being that it's a 21 with super low miles. So this one has about 2,232 miles. For the functions, you have this screen here, and as you go, you get different modes. And if you press the menu button, you get to this screen here. So you have two different types of screens. So this one being a 2021 Premium, you do have Apple CarPlay with built-in navigation. And then you do have a Bose audio system with 11 speakers as well as 2 subs. The screen is going to be about 8 inches. And it's also a touch screen, as well as right here you do have the little wheel to play with to make it easier if you don't want the fingerprints on there. And then this one being the Premium, you also have the heated front seats. So let's go ahead and show you the engine bay. So the Nissan R35 GT-R has a 3.8 liter twin turbo V6, which is handcrafted by that gentleman right there. Produces 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 is about 2.9 seconds. Extremely fast. It's equipped with a dual clutch transmission with the Atessa all-wheel drive system. It's absolutely beautiful. So a fun fact about the titanium exhaust system is it's actually made by a company called Fujitsu. Extremely light, sounds great, and it The titanium tips really look great on this Bayside Blue metallic.
That's crazy. I'd rather go out there and put it down for
If you have any questions on this 2021 Nissan GT-R Premium in Bayside Blue metallic, give me a call. My contact information will be listed down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, take care.